Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on May the 30th, 2019. Toyota will launch trucks plant in Myanmar. Toyota Motor Corp said on Thursday it would set up a plant in Myanmar to manufacture Hilux pickup trucks from 2021, as the Japanese automaker plans to locally assemble vehicles for emerging nation where demand for cars has been soaring. Toyota said in a statement that the recently built plant in Thilawa Special Economic Zone in the suburbs of Yangon will produce about 2,500 vehicles each year using the semi-knockdown method. In integrating Myanmar for localized vehicle assembly, Toyota joins domestic rival Nissan Motor Co, which began output in Asian country in 2017. Oil rises on falling U.S. crude inventories. Oil prices climbed on Thursday after an industry report showed a bigger-than-expected decline in U.S. crude stocks, although concerns that the U.S. China trade war will trigger an economic downturn kept a lid on gains. Brent crude futures, the international benchmark, rose 40 cents or 0.6% at $69.85 per barrel. Brent fell nearly 1% in the previous session. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude futures increased 48 cents or 0.8% at $59.29 a barrel. U.S. crude inventories tumbled by 5.3 million barrels in the week to May the 24th to 474.4 million barrels. Data from industry group the American Petroleum Institute showed on Wednesday. U.S.-EU talks flounder in pending new trade war. Succession of domestic issues in U.S. and Europe, along with Trump's threat to implement auto tariffs, threatens to frustrate efforts at a trade pact before they even begun. The 180-day deadline that Trump set for a negotiation with the EU and Japan over reducing their exports of cars and parts to the U.S. holds to the president's pattern of steadily increasing pressure on trading partners to get a deal more to his liking. On the other hand, the outer deadline will hit just as the new European Commission, the bloc's executive arm, is due to take over from the Juncker Latin that has governed for the past 5 years. China hopes to meet strong demand for rare earth. China's commerce ministry said that country is willing to meet reasonable demand for rare earth from other countries. On the other hand, it would be unacceptable that countries using Chinese rare earth to manufacture products would turn around and suppress China. President Xi Jinping's visit to a rare earth plant last week had fired speculation that China would use its dominant position as an exporter of rare earth to the United States as leverage in the trade war. Rare earth are the group of 17 chemical elements used in everything from high-tech consumer electronics to military equipment.